Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Shiba Inu from Coinbase Wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding SHIB and want to move it to your MetaMask for more flexibility, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. You'll need to navigate to your SHIB holdings. Head to the Assets tab and select Shiba Inu. Now, for the fun part, initiating the withdrawal. Click on the Withdraw or Send button next to your SHIB balance. This will prompt you to enter the destination address. Before you proceed, switch over to your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have it, download the extension or app. It's essential for Ethereum-based tokens like SHIB. Once in MetaMask, select the network. For SHIB, you'll want to be on the Ethereum mainnet. Copy your MetaMask wallet address by going to the account details and hitting the copy icon. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Back in Coinbase, paste that MetaMask address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees, as they can add up. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your SHIB tokens there. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for sufficient funds for gas fees or ensure you're on the correct network. Wrapping this up, withdrawing SHIB to MetaMask opens up a world of DeFi possibilities. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.